Hi, my friend. This is Johnson from Myled. We are the LED display supplier and the solution provider in China. We started LED display business since 2012. Over the past 10 years, we have been sending LED display to clients more than 100 countries worldwide, provided 2,000 square meter LED display for last World Cup. During the past 10 years, we have a very good time and also a hard time, and study and learn a lot from clients and friends. But in the coming years, we will do our best to develop more new products, higher quality LED screens for our clients, and increase our market, expand our sales record. So let's fight together for a better world, a better life. Thank you.